Don't date anyone until you've proven to yourself that you can love yourself. Now, I know that sounds stupid, but hear me out. Until you can prove to yourself that you can love yourself, no one else will love you. The more you practice self love, the more attractive you become. Secondly, even if you can fall into a relationship without practicing self love, it'll only result in one, losing yourself, two, if they leave, what will you have if you're only obsessed over them, and three, obsession, which is not love, and that will create an unhealthy dynamic between you and your partner. Now, what exactly does it mean to practice self love? Well, it means to give yourself enough respect to strive to better your life. Firstly, what I want you to do is work on something for your career path, whether it is going to college or getting a job, going into the trades, starting a YouTube channel, anything. As long as you're focused on a certain career path to make money in life, that'll suffice. Secondly, I want you to work on your health. I want you to hop on a diet, to get 8 hours of sleep. I want you to go to the gym. Make sure you're getting enough protein every single day. Make sure you're getting your veggies. Make sure you're getting all your micronutrients, macronutrients. What they say is a strong body is a strong mind, and I fully agree with that. Thirdly, work on self-care. That includes like working on your skincare, working on your hair care, getting good fashion, working on your jewelry, basically the way you present yourself to the world. If you feel good about how you look, then you're going to also respond to that and people will see that. Fourthly, I want you to have a hobby, and it could be one thing, it could be multiple things, it could be something you do by yourself or with other people. Anything that you can put hours into and not even look at the time and time just flying by. And obviously something that's fun. Lastly, what I want you to do is be more social. Go with your friends. Go play sports with your friends. Go do your hobbies with your friends. Get rid of your anxiety. Become more socially adept. Humans are literally made for socializing and talking to other people. I'm telling you, socializing is the best thing for your body, mind, and soul. In life, your focus should never be to hop into a relationship. Your focus should always be to better your life and practice self love, like the things I mentioned above. Why? Because if you're doing these things long enough and hard enough and you're making progress, when you do randomly stumble upon someone, and I'm telling you, it's going to be when you least expect it, they will see the growth in you. They will see the type of self loving person you are, and they're going to want you. They'll chase you instead of you chasing them. Because someone that can love themselves and actually shows that they love themselves will be able to show the same love they do for themselves to them.